Is that drool? I think it's the dog is car sick.
Jeez Louise.
What in the world?
No, they're...
Oh.
Hi, can I touch you?
No.
Oh, okay.
My butterball, come on. Come on, buddy. You gonna get up here? Come on, buddy.
Stay there, sis.
Best friends. She knocked your bitch ass out.